When you have to give way at an intersection where there's a green light but no green arrow and you are turning right is exactly the same as having to give way to somebody at a T-junction or if you're turning right anywhere in Australia. I'm approaching the intersection where a lot of learner driver candidates fail. Now we've got a green light but no green arrow. Now what we've got to do here, we have to focus on both lights and the traffic coming from the opposite direction. If it's still green and we haven't cut into the opposite direction lanes, we are safe. Now, we've got to wait either for the traffic to clear or the lights to change and then to pay closer attention if the traffic is proceeding or slowing down. Now the light's changing to amber, so I've got to pay closer attention to what's happening. I can see that the two first vehicles are indicating and turning left. They have to give way to me as I turn, but the last white car at the back is obviously slowing down significantly, which means that they are stopping because their light is changing at exactly the same time as the traffic lights on my side. Surprisingly, a lot of experienced drivers don't understand this rule and they oppose this type of intersection. This is no different than a give way situation. It helps traffic congestion. Advice for learner drivers who want to master this: you have to go through these intersections hundreds of times before you turn up for your driving assessment, because the examiners in Western Australia will take you through at least one of these intersections. As always, feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.